Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Chiropractic care primarily focuses on the spine and musculoskeletal system. While it may offer relief for back pain and improve general well-being, it is not designed to adjust a tilted uterus. Consulting a gynecologist or a specialist for targeted treatments and concerns related to a tilted uterus is advisable.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.